this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download voice messages from Facebook Messenger onto your PC or laptop. First, launch your Facebook app or navigate to the Facebook account in the web version. Now launch the conversation and navigate to the voice message that you want to download. Double-click anywhere on the screen. Now select the option Inspect. Here you're going to find this Network tab. Click on that. Then click on the option Media. Now go ahead and play the voice message that you want to download. After you play the voice message fully, you're going to find this file over here under Media tab. Double click on that file and you will be directed to this page. You will see a basic media player up here, and at the bottom of that player, click three dots, select download, and your voice message will start downloading immediately. And that's it. This is how you can easily download voice messages from Facebook Messengers. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.